But we're going to get started anyways, and hopefully this is loud enough. So we're going to start off with mixing up a couple of colors, nothing spectacular, just let's do some Wild Iris from Apple Barrel. Just and I'm doing a 2-to-1 ratio of Floetrol and paint. Let's go with Pink Parfait, also Apple Barrel. And I'm going to go with Metallic Cobalt Blue from Artist Loft. The cobalt blue is really thick. Tends to leave lumps in there, so make sure you stir it thoroughly if you get it. And we will be adding water to these once we've got them mixed, because right now it's way too thick. So I always hear the term warm honey. So that's what you want it. Consistency of is warm honey. Oh, my used sticks went. Maybe floating around here someplace, but here's that Wild Iris. Isn't that pretty? We're going to be doing a Dutch pour today, and that is where you lay down a base color, do a small flip and drag on top, and then you use a hair dryer to push the white paint over the colors and then back again. So you get a lot of negative space with that. So here is my water. I'm once again working with this wireless microphone. Still playing around with trying to figure out the volume on it, but hopefully you guys can hear me. If not, I'll be speeding this up and adding music, I guess. So I went for my first follow-up for my braces, my 1 month today. It was a week late because my dentist was out sick last week, and he is going with, they do not need an expander this time, or now. Originally he wanted an expander, and now he's saying no, which I was concerned about getting one anyways, because I already have a hard enough time speaking on my videos. So there we go. Gives a little bit of a mound to start, and then it sinks right away. So here I have my white. So let's actually mix up some of these colors quick. We don't need a lot of color. Like I said, we're just going to do a flip and drag. So that's about all we're going to use. It's not even an ounce. It doesn't look like anyways. I wasn't very organized when I came down here today, was I? Nothing new there. We'll just use this one here. I'm going to put a pair of gloves on. I'm trying not to get too messy right now because my coworker picked me up a new sweatshirt the other day that I asked her to grab for me. Of course, that's what I'm wearing right now. I was too lazy to go change before coming down to my paint studio. Don't really want to get paint on it. Okay. Okay, so, there it is. I'm going to do a quick flip. And drag. There we go. Now we're going to take some more white and we're going to go around. And then we're going to take the hairdryer and I will probably mute this part or something so that you're not listening to that. What do you think? Yeah, I think I could use a little more pink. It's okay. Let's make sure we have coverage on all of our edges, corners, and lengths. I'm going to pause you and bring you down for a close-up. Okay? What do you think? Let's torch. Okay. A lot of white in there from the air bubbles. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so now we need to do something else because we need to use up these colors. So we will come back. I'll probably separate it into another video, but we'll be back with a different video in just a bit. Until then, we'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.